Somewhere in your apartment right now, there is a decor choice that felt fresh 5 years ago and quietly stopped working without anyone telling you. Trends move fast, and what once looked like a design upgrade can slowly turn into the exact thing that dates a space. Today, I am going through 7 decor trends that had a real moment, the reason each one has faded, and what to swap in instead so your space feels current again. Number 4 surprised even me when I started researching this list. Let's get into it. 1. Farmhouse overload. The modern farmhouse trend dominated interior design for years. Barn doors, word signs, distressed furniture, mason jars, faux shiplap on every available wall. There's nothing wrong with liking farmhouse style. The issue is when every decorative piece leans into the same theme. Today's interiors feel much quieter. Instead of decorating around a trend, designers focus on timeless materials. Natural wood, stone, linen, ceramics, soft texture. Those elements still create warmth, but they don't lock your apartment into a style that's already beginning to feel like another era. 2. Industrial pipe shelving. Black iron pipe shelves paired with reclaimed wood boards lined kitchens and living rooms for years, and for a while that mix of raw metal and wood grain felt genuinely fresh and a little edgy. The trend has since tipped over into feeling heavy and cold rather than elevated, especially once it stretches across an entire wall. A slim brass or matte black bracket shelf, paired with the same warm wood board, keeps the material pairing without the industrial weight, and it reads as considered instead of borrowed from a coffee shop. 3. The glam trend. Mirrored furniture, tufted velvet, sequin pillows, and high-shine rose gold or marble accents defined apartment styling for years, chasing a sparkly, maximalist look. That same glam energy now reads as loud rather than luxurious. Design has shifted towards something quieter, muted tones, matte finishes, and natural materials that feel understated instead of flashy. Swapping one mirrored or sequined piece for a matte ceramic or brushed metal equivalent instantly makes a room feel more expensive, not less. 4. The matching furniture set trend. Buying an entire bedroom or living room as one coordinated set, same wood tone, same hardware, same silhouette across every piece, felt like the easiest way to make a space look pulled together. That same uniformity now reads as showroom rather than home, swapping in one different nightstand, a contrasting coffee table, or a chair with a different silhouette into an otherwise matched set instantly makes a room look curated instead of purchased in a single transaction. 5. Exposed filament Edison bulbs. These bulbs have a beautiful warm glow, and that is exactly why they got overused. Strung across an entire kitchen or clustered into every pendant fixture in a space, they start to feel more like a restaurant than a home. Keep one or two as an accent and pair them with soft, warm LED bulbs everywhere else so the room feels layered instead of themed. 6. Chevron and herringbone accent walls. Bold geometric patterns painted directly onto a single wall were a fast way to add personality without much effort, and for a moment that felt exciting. The issue is permanence. A painted pattern wall is hard to undo, hard to style around, and it ages the same way bold trends always do, quickly. A patterned rug or a set of patterned pillows gives you the same visual energy without locking the whole room into one specific style. 7. All gray, everything. Gray walls, gray furniture, gray rugs, gray bedding. Chosen because it felt like the safe, neutral, foolproof option. The problem is that an entirely gray room reads as cold and unfinished rather than calm. Warm neutrals like cream, sand, and soft taupe are replacing gray as the new default, and even one warm-toned piece introduced into an all-gray room instantly makes it feel more current. None of these trends were mistakes when you chose them. They were popular for a reason, and popular things eventually become dated simply because everyone had the same idea at the same time. If even one of these 7 is sitting in your space right now, you do not need to replace the whole room. Swap the one piece doing the most damage and the whole space will instantly feel more current. Which one of these 7 did you not expect to see on this list? Tell me in the comments.